Alright, I didn't know what this was, so I started to open it, and then I peeked, and then I was like, oh, I'm gonna wait until I get this on film before I actually open it. Alright. Doesn't have the year here, but this is the box. Card, very good condition, going right back in there. Now, we know that these didn't come with bubble wrap. Yeah, somebody repacked these. Anything else in here? Definitely the OG paper. OG silica bags. Not going to touch those. As a matter of fact, I'm going to put this under the paper. For now. Here we are. I don't want to use any razors, I'm just using some pokey picks here so I don't cut anything by mistake. Just popped right off. Nice piece of unused polyurethane. I mean, the condition of the outsole looks mint. The condition of the upper also looks mint. Obviously, this never being worn, the polyurethane did not age well. We're gonna get I'm gonna get all the unnecessary things for restoration purposes off and out. We're talking insoles, we're talking laces, and we're talking hang tags. Now, I don't think this is the OG. I'm pretty sure it was always ball bearings. I think they just added this, which is fine, but I'm taking this off. And I'm going to put it back in the OG box. Along with the laces and the insoles. And the paper. Whoa, do I see a receipt? Is this a resale receipt? This can't be the OG receipt. Yeah, this isn't the OG receipt. I was gonna say. Interesting. No date. I want to know what the manufacture date of this is. I don't know what the year is, but it's not always the manufacturing year. Just have a release date of Cinco de Mayo, 1999. It's the first retro of the Bred 4. Tells me the factory code, the style code, no date. And just interesting. Just as a sneaker historian, I find that interesting. There was no dates on these in 1999. OG insole going back in the box. Interesting board. Oh, OG receipt going. Well, it's not the OG receipt, but you know what I mean. Okay, getting both OG laces together. Back in the box. Just need an insole. All right. Paper. Go back. Now we got ourselves 1999 Air Jordan 4 Bred colorway. Look how easily this is coming apart. I didn't do anything. I just let gravity take that out. Here's the airbag. Airbag is all nice and cracked. Yeah. I mean, it doesn't take anything at all to get this midsole off. But gonna do it. Gonna complete it a little bit later when I can collect everything all at once here. Whoops, whoops.